Modern Real Estate Practice, page 93. Some lot and block descriptions are not dependent on the government survey system and may refer simply to the plat recorded in the land records of the country. The survey, measuring property rights. Legal descriptions should not be altered or combined without adequate information from a surveyor or title attorney. A licensed surveyor is trained and authorized to locate and determine the legal description of any parcel of land. The surveyor does this by preparing two documents, a survey and a survey sketch. The survey states the property's legal description. The survey sketch shows the location and dimensions of the parcel. When a survey also shows the location, size, and shape of buildings on the lot, it is referred to as a spot survey. Legal descriptions should be copied with extreme care. An incorrectly worded legal description in a sales contract may result in a conveyance of more or less land than the parties intended. For example, damages suffered from an incorrect description could be extensive if buildings and improvements need to be moved because the land upon which the improvements were made is not owned. Often, even punctuation is extremely critical. Title problems can arise for the buyer who seeks to convey the property at a future date. Even if the contract can be corrected before the sale is closed, the real estate professional risks losing a commission and may be held liable for damages suffered by an injured party because of a improperly worded legal description. Real estate professionals should be aware of the types of surveys and their uses recognized by state law or local custom. Not all surveys include surveyor liability and warranties of accuracy. An improvement location certificate, ILC, for instance, may be sufficient for some purposes, but is not a full survey. It is prepared in a shorter time frame and at a less cost, and provides the location of structures and improvements, easements, and any encroachments in relation to property boundaries. www.nsps.us.com. The National Society of Professional Surveyors provides useful information for real estate professionals and consumers at that website. Includes links and state associations and other affiliated organizations. In practice, because legal descriptions, once recorded, affect ownership of real estate, they should be prepared only by a professional surveyor. Real estate professionals who copy legal descriptions create potential risks for themselves and their clients and customers. The better practice is to refer to a reliable document, such as the deed that transfers the property to the current owner, for a full and accurate legal description. Measuring elevations. Just as surface rights must be identified, surveyed, and described, so must rights to the property above the earth's surface. Recall that land includes the space above the ground. In the same way that land may be measured and divided into parcels, the air may be divided. The owner may subdivide the airspace above the land into air lots. Air lots are composed of the airspace within specific boundaries located over a parcel of land. The condominium laws passed in all states require that a registered land surveyor prepare a plat map that shows the